How are you all doing? Great. You know, children, I'm very happy the way you all are doing your practice work at home. Whatever the practice work your teachers have given, I have received a lot of videos and photographs of yours which shows that you are enjoying and taking interest in doing that. So today in maths, we will be doing ordinal numbers and cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are those numbers which tells us about the quantity, like how many books you have, 10 books. How many pencils you have, 2 pencils. How many eraser you have, 1 eraser. So like this, the number which tells us the quantity are called cardinal numbers. Now what are ordinal numbers? Ordinal numbers are those numbers which tells us about the position of an object. Alright, which tells the position, not the quantity. Now I am having with me some fruits to do this activity. Through this, the concept of ordinal numbers will be easily, you all will understand. Now these fruits I am having, I know eating fruits is a good habit and you should and must have fruits every day. So now you have to watch it carefully, children. Whatever the fruits I am keeping, so you have to watch it carefully. Alright? So right now, first I am having orange. So what is the first fruit I am keeping? Orange. Second, tomato. Third, apple. Fourth, banana. Fifth, lemon. Okay, so now you will tell me that what is the position of the fruits. So the first position of the fruit is orange. Second position, which fruit is on second position? Tomato. Third, apple. Fourth, banana. Fifth, lemon. So like this, it is telling us about the position of fruits, not the quantity. Now children, I will be showing you one video. Through that, you will come to know more clearly about the ordinal and cardinal numbers. Okay children?
Are 10 animals living near this pond. They have organized a running race today. All of them are standing at the start position. The race begins. The horse and the dog are running very fast. They complete the race and are at the first and second positions respectively. The camel and the elephant are running quite fast. They are third and fourth respectively to complete the race. The bear is at the fifth position and the cow is at the sixth position. The sheep and the rabbit look tired. They have reached the finishing point at the seventh and eighth positions respectively. The tortoise and the pig are running very slowly. They are 9th and 10th respectively. With this, the race ends. Now let us look at the winning positions of these animals. The horse came first. 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 The dog came second. position. Third. Third. The elephant is at the fourth position. Fourth. Fourth. The bear came fifth in the running race. Fifth. Fifth. The cow came sixth. 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 The sheep is at the seventh position. Seventh. Seventh. The rabbit is at the eighth position. Eighth. Eighth. The tortoise came ninth in the running race. Ninth. The pig is at the 10th position. Tenth. Let us look at this table. It shows the cardinal numbers 1 to 10 and the corresponding ordinal numbers 1st to 10th.
Did you like the video, children? Now, if in the race, if I'll ask who won the race, who came first in the race, so what you will say? Horse came first in the race. Now you can ask why we tell it as first and not 1. This is because 1 is a counting number. Counting number tell us how many, or they show the quantity. Like in the race, we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There were 10 animals in the race. Similarly, when we need to show the position or when we place object in an order, we tell the order of things in a set as first, second, third. That is how we use the ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers do not show quantity. They only show rank or position. Like the horse came first, second dog was second position, and camel was on third position. So now you have understood cardinal numbers tell us the quantity and ordinal numbers tells us the position. That's all for today, children. Bye-bye.